Let's continue with the test for the enclosures as requested with SpeedMeter software CrystalDiskMark. We'll choose the drive, it will be the same drive, and we will choose 4 GB. And we also start the monitor in order to see the temperatures on both enclosures. So currently with the AC streaks, it's under 28 degrees. Let's see how it will be on the end of this test. So starting now. We can also see here the speed and the write speed, the read speed and the write speed, using the Asus ROG Strix. CrystalDiskMark, we had a maximum of 468 megabytes reading speed, And on the monitor we had 450. It's close enough. On the right we had 457, and on the monitor 441. And the maximum degrees were 35 Celsius using the Asus ROG Strix. Let's see with the Union one how it goes. So this time I added the thermal pad to the Union one so we can compare the thermals on both of them. It started at 30 degrees. Again, it's the same. 4 gigabytes and we can start. Okay, so 460 with 441 and 449 with 431 with a maximum of 36 degrees. So the Strix is on the left and the Union is on the right. We have 468 on the Strix and 460 on the Union on the read, and on the write 457 and 449. So with this test, somehow the Strix one, the Asus one, wins, but it's just a matter of 8 megabytes maximum on both read and write. As for the temperatures, the Strix was at 35 maximum and the Union at 36. So they are somehow both equal, but as I said in the previous video, if it's for the same price, yeah, maybe I would go with the Strix, but if you remember the rattling, I will still go with the Union. But facing the fact that the Union is 3 times cheaper than the Asus one, of course I will go with the Union. Hopefully this clears all the things. Don't forget to subscribe and see you until the next video.